A customer in a hurry. On Saturday morning, I start my shift at Bright Tech Store. My goal is simple: help every customer leave with the right product and a smile. After only 5 minutes, a man comes in quickly. He looks worried. He holds an old headset in one hand and his phone in the other. He says, "Please, can you help me? I have an online job interview in 1 hour, and my headset does not work." I smile and say, "Of course. My name is Emma. I can help you." The man tells me his name is Daniel. He needs a headset with a microphone, but he does not know which one is good. He also does not have much money. I ask him to take a deep breath. Then I invite him to come with me to the headset section. The store is busy, but Daniel is my first important task of the day. Finding the right choice. In the headset section, I ask Daniel some easy questions. Do you use a laptop or a phone? Do you need a cable or Bluetooth? Is the room quiet or noisy? He answers fast, but I listen carefully. He uses a laptop, and his room is sometimes noisy because his brother watches TV. He also needs something simple because he is not very good with technology. I show him 3 headsets. The first one is cheap, but the microphone is not very strong. The second one is good, but it costs too much. The third one has a clear microphone, soft ear pads, and a fair price. Daniel looks at the box and says, "This one looks nice, but will it work with my laptop?" I say, "Let's not guess. We can test it here." His face becomes a little calmer. He follows me to the service desk. Testing the headset. At the service desk, I open a store laptop and plug in the headset. Daniel stands next to me and watches. I ask him to speak into the microphone. He says, "Hello, can you hear me?" At first, the sound is very low. Daniel looks worried again. He says, "Oh no. Maybe it is not good." I stay calm. "Wait a moment," I say. Sometimes the laptop chooses the wrong microphone. I click on the sound settings. I choose the new headset and ask Daniel to speak again. This time, his voice is clear. I play the sound back for him. He smiles for the first time. "That is much better," he says. Then I show him how to change the volume and mute the microphone. He practices 2 times. Now he can do it alone. A problem at the checkout. Daniel takes the headset to the checkout. He looks happy now, but there is another problem. His card does not work. He tries again, and the machine says no. Daniel's face turns red. "I am sorry," he says. "I only have some cash, but not enough for the full price." He looks at the clock on the wall. His interview is in 30 minutes. I do not want him to feel bad. I check the store system and see a student discount. I ask, "Do you have a student card?" Daniel opens his wallet and finds one. The discount helps, but he still needs a little more money. Then I remember a small open box model in the back. It is the same headset, new and clean, but the box is damaged. I ask my manager if we can sell it for less. She says yes. Daniel can now pay. Ready for the interview. I put the headset in a small bag and give Daniel the receipt. I also write 3 simple steps on the note. Plug in the headset, choose the microphone, and test the sound. Daniel reads the note and puts it in his pocket. "Thank you, Emma," he says. "You did more than sell me a headset. You helped me feel ready." I walk with him to the door. Before he leaves, he turns and says, "If I get this job, I will come back and tell you." I laugh and say, "Good luck." Speak clearly and smile. He waves and hurries down the street. The store is still busy, and more customers are waiting. But I feel proud. Helping a customer is not only about products. It is about listening, solving problems, and being kind when someone needs it.